Durud. The link for this repository would be in the description. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add this library and get it to run. This library is for AM2302 or DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. And in this library, there is no delay. And I'm reading temperature and humidity from this sensor with 2 timers and 2 DMA channels. In AM2302, there are 2 files, one am.c and one am.h. This is how you should connect AM2302 or DHT22 to STM32F103C8 in Blue Pill. There is no GPIO pins, just connect the data pin that is pulled up to PB4 and PB6. PB6 is timer 4, channel 1 and 2 in input capture mode, and PB4 is timer 3, channel 1. This is really important that you pay attention that PB4 pin is configured in open drain mode. If you don't do this, you're going to short circuit one wire bus. In STM32Cube IDE, click on File, New, STM32 project. In target selection page, write microcontroller name, choose it from here and click Next. I name the project DHT22 no delay. Click on Finish. I'm just gonna do the basic setting requirements. In system, go to RCC, choose crystal ceramic resonator, go to clock configuration, choose HSE multiplied by 9, choose PLLCLCON and divide this by 2. Go to pinout and configuration, and from system choose serial wire. This is the basic setting requirements for every project, and we don't need to do anything else. Just pay attention that this library uses timer 3, timer 4, PB4, PB6, and I think DMA1 channel 1 and channel 4. I check it later. Click on File, click Save. I want to generate the code and I want to go to CC++ perspective. In core folder, in include folder, I create a new file. I name it am.h. Go to the repository, go to am.h file. Copy the content of this file and paste it in am.h. In source folder, create a new file, I name it am.c. Go to the repository and open am.c file, copy the content of this file and paste it here. Go to main.c, between user code begin and end include am.h file. There is one function declaration here, this is am init. Copy this and go to main.c. In user code begin 2, I have to call this function. Compile the code, there is no error and warning. Go to debug, okay. Go to live expression. After am init function is called, humidity and temperature are automatically stored in these 2 variables. Run the code. As you can see, temperature is 27.79 and relative humidity is 60%. I'm gonna do a ha into sensor and you're gonna see the relative humidity and temperature is going to rise. As you can see, because a lot of humidity in my breath, humidity is 99% and temperature is 28 degrees now. And every 2 seconds there is going to be a sampling. If you want to learn how to write this code from scratch, there is going to be another video and link would be in the description.